There's a bit of POV behind the scenes of what goes on before we go on a trip. We're going to Port Douglas tomorrow. Camera gear. Uploading stuff onto hard drive before we go, so I got all the SD cards are ready to go. I'll show you what's going on downstairs with all the fishing gear. Brother watching football. His bags, my bags are up the front, drink bottle, bring those, camera gear's up there, that's pretty much it. Rods are in the pipe, lures, wet bag, reels, shoes, volleys. Anything else? These? These? These what? These nuts? Oh! Extensions, lens covers. This is the most important thing when you're carrying GoPros around, because I think just there might be a scratch on this lens. So I'm gonna chuck this on and I'll see you there. Oh, good size one. Oh, yep, you see it? You see it? Yep. Oh, yes. Oh. Came back. Oh, is it that thing again? Venomous? I have no idea. No, snakehead's on. Get us the show for the camera. It's like a mullet snakehead thing. We'll figure it out later. Yep. Oh, it's heaps here. Heaps of JP here. I reckon 4 of them hit it just then. Go for slow retrieve. Yep. Oh, they're all on it. Oh, there's big ones. There's good sized ones. Nice. There's good sized ones in there. On the slow retrieve, pretty much on the drop. Got this little JP out of this nice little pool here. On the little grub again. I'm gonna try and get him back as quickly as possible so I can get another crack at these. These other fish, there's bigger ones in there. Sun is pretty nuts. Nuts. Yeah. Intense. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Yep. Oh. Oh no. Like it felt like he was like nibbling. Hey. Cast mine. I'll get a release of this guy. You can cast mine. They're so spiky. Joe's gonna pump a cast in here. True. Tiny little tracks. Rock. Oh, you had one? Could have dropped possible mangrove jack. It's got one. Yep. Got one. Mangrove? Yes, just as I said it.
First one.
First Mangrove Jack. First Mangrove Jack on the little grubbage. Fuck yeah. How good. Do you reckon that was JP that came out before and tried to hit you, or do you reckon that was that Mangrove Jack? Oh, yep! Surely. Mangrove Jack. First Mangrove Jack for Jack's Films. Jack's Fish Films. Tiny little guy. He's snapping too. How good's that? Tiny Mangrove Jack. He's going nuts. But he did a number on my little tail.
Fuck you.
Don't forget to start getting a beep score on you.
What?
The beep score. Kenny had a beep score. Smo and Kenny loved a bad word. But these Mangrove Jack can't resist the grubbage. Oh, the Mangrove Jack, I saw him following all the way through.
They must like the deep.
Yeah, I think they're all hanging up in there. Heaps of little tiny frogs. Everywhere. Hey?
Territory of the best one.
This would be the spot to also put a diver on or something. Yep. Tiny. That'd be the smallest one of the day, I reckon. Oh, see you later, buddy. Get him again. Tiny JP. I want to get in that fork of that tree. Yes, that's the one. See if we can get another twitchy going. Twitchy twitch. Hit the bottom. I don't know if these... Oh, yep. Oh, he's got a bit more weight to him. JP. Very nice. I'm gonna bring him around here. He's got a bit more weight than the last ones. Don't want him to do me. Yeah, nice. Yeah, he's definitely the best of the day. I reckon he's probably a PB. PB, Joseph. I reckon. Oh, yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, he's definitely my best ever. He's engulfed that lure. I reckon that's my best ever JP. Yoo-hoo! It's my best ever JP. Caught him on the little grub again. He's engulfed that lure, unfortunately. There might have to be surgical procedure for him. We're in about 2 hours in and we're at like this big pool. It's pretty nice. Joseph's in there on the tree. Heaps of JP around. I think we've spooked a fair few from here though. Still in the grub. We're gonna give it one last crack and then head back. But yeah, pretty successful mission, I'd say. You. Back in JP land with Jez, chasing jungle perch, looking for the 30cm jungle perch or sooty grunner. We still haven't got a sooty grunner. I think it's going to be too high for Mangrove Jack. Oh, I can see a JP right there. So I'm gonna chuck a line in right now because I can see some. But yeah, let's do it. Some of the biggest bamboo I've ever seen. That is huge. Crazy big. I could see tiny JP in here. Oh, they all want it. They like biting the tail.
How big the bamboo is. No way it grows that big.
It's crazy. I suppose we just keep pumping up. Oh! Oh, Mangrove Jack. Came out and bopped it. Little Mangrove Jack just came out and bopped it before. Joe's is on! There's a jack. Mangrove Jack! JP on the grubbage. Very nice, just out of that little pool there. Yeah. Dragonfly. Oh, yep! Tiny little one. Right on a little rock there. Tiny JP. Two tiny little JP for me and one 24cm JP for Joseph, so moderately successful in the first hour. We're coming up to like some pretty high wrappers now, but that's sort of what we've been getting them in, so hopefully we can get a few more and a bit of Mangrove Jacks. We've seen a few now. Just the goal, sooty grunner. Let's get one. ball. What is it? Sooty? You! Looks dark. I think it might be a sooty. Grub does the damage again.
Yeah, boy.
Get a measure on him. The pools are getting nicer. The higher we're getting, the boulders seem to be getting bigger. Skim pass, slow retrieve. Yep. It might be a bit better. Oh, he's still not great. Oh, he's got a bit of kick to him. Yeah, nice. Little JP. We'll get him back. We're in a really nice zone now. We've got to this pretty big waterfall. The mountains are like all just coming into this one spot right here. All the way around us, just cliffs coming down on us right now. So we're going to have a little hike up to there and then see how much further we want to go. A fair few JP, just not many big ones unfortunately, but pretty nice spot. Water coming down. Let's go, let's get some more. Phew. Probably too steep. What's it look like? Is it?
That's a huge bird.
Huge. In the water. Just gonna finish the JP session off with, I don't know, I think Joseph got the good sized ones. I got a few like tiny little ones, but it was a nice walk. The terrain's pretty heavy, like all the way up until the mountain there's pretty tough going. But yeah, I had heaps of fun. Such a sick way to go fishing. Yeah, we've got heaps more Port Douglas stuff to come, so stay tuned.